Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you SQL like operator that is used to match a pattern while searching. For searching we use select and then we can match this specific pattern using like operator. That is, first use % in like operator and match a pattern for a string, common pattern. So here like you have to add single quote a then %. That means all the string respective for the column must be starts with the letter a. And then suppose America has started with the letter A, and then again like %a, that means ends with the letter A. Suppose Russia, here Russia has ended with the letter A, like A then %, then X. That means starts with letter A and ends with letter X. A %X. Ajax like %AB then %. Contains AB anywhere in the string. That means you have to contain AB, this pattern, in the string. Abdul, here AB, that has matched AB. Abdul contains AB. Also Zainab, here the Zainab contains AB. Like single quote then underscore A then %. That means the string must be contained A at second position. Must be contained A at second position. Suppose Pakistan, here P then A. Pakistan contains letter A at second position. Like A then underscore then %, starts with A and have at least two characters. That means America, that has content starts with A, and here America contains 7 letter. That means that fulfills our condition. That means at least 2 characters. America has 7 character. So that's why like operator works. So first you have to open XAMPP. If you have watched my previous video, then you can find all operation for select for searching. Here my database is college, table is student. Here you can see I have 9 records. So I want to search. Select all from my table is student where name like K then %. That means where the name starts with K. I just want to copy it for use further. And select all, that means ID, name, email, country from student table, where name, my name contains starts with K. So click on go. Here Krishna Kanta, that means name starts with K. Only one record has been shown. Again, suppose M, I have two record, ID 2 and ID 4, where the name has started with the letter M. So just where name like M. Here capital letter or uppercase or lowercase does not matter. So click on where name like M%. That means the name must be starts with letter M. Click on go. You can see two record has been successfully shown here. Starts with a, ends with. Now I just want to show you another opportunity that ends with some letter. Let A, that ends with A. Here Surya Kanta, that ends with A. Ends with A, that means at first you have to select all from student where name like percent A, that means ends with letter A. Click on select all from student where name like percent A, that means click on go. You can see two record have been shown. Krishna Kanta, here Kanta that ends with A and Surya ends with A. You can also that ends with TA, that means that ends with TA. Select all from student where name like person TA, that means ends with TA. Name ends with TA. Here you can see Kanta that ends with A. You can also search by full name, that is not problem. Ends with Kanta. Click on go. Here you can see Kanta ends with Kanta. That means like A%X starts with A and ends with letter X. That means I just want to see. Let Malik Shah starts with M and ends with H. Malik Shah starts with M and ends with H. Where name like M then percent H. That means the name starts with M and ends with H. Click on go. Malik Shah has been shown here. You can also search by email, where Gmail and Yahoo. I have to type email, so I can select by Gmail and or by Yahoo or by also by country in like operator. So I just now want to this like percent ab percent, that means contains ab anywhere. So I just want to search by Gmail or Yahoo, where name, not name column, email column is email like Gmail, where email like Gmail, email is the column and that should be, that must contain Gmail. Click on go. You can see only the email that contains Gmail have been shown. We had 4 records that has Gmail. I just now want to match it. 1347, ID is 1347, 1347. No, I have Malisha hasn't printed there. Now I want to again. Oh, I have inserted wrong, not Gmail, Gamil it can be. So click on it. So now Gmail. Oh, sorry, name like, not name like. It must be email like. Gmail. That means the email address must be contained Gmail anywhere. You can see all the record has been shown. Now I just want to see Yahoo. Email like Yahoo. Click on go. Yahoo.com has been shown. Like underscore A contains A at second position, like Pakistan. Select all from student where country. Country like first underscore, then A, then percent sign. That means select all from student where country like, that means country contains A at second position. Click on go. Only Pakistan has been shown. Suppose I want to print where country like IND. Click on go. India and Indonesia. All the records that refer that those country, India and Indonesia, have been shown. And that's all about like operator. Thank you.